It seems I am the only person crazy enough to want to go on a walk in this weather. Oh my gosh, my hair's already turned white. It is already freezing. It is so cold. But I'm having fun. I saw some rabbit tracks. Ooh, I'm starting my worries. Getting so cold. I look old with my hair. It's beautiful though. I've had some people wave and be nice. And other people just kind of gave me a look of like, what is she doing? But I think it's beautiful. Let's head back inside, get warm for a little bit, eat some breakfast. What a beautiful morning. Beautiful start to my day. Ooh, okay. Yay. Did it.